Unongilam Kabartian Janata Party ubade Vice President ka Meghalaya State Unit Ubernat and Marang ubade ru MDC ka turau lapan pau ya ka jingsngos kham ka jong u ban yo ya ka jingjop na ka South Tura constituency ka bade ka constituency ko mi khmat do menteri rang ba ka jalau Conrad ke sangma ha ka election ban jit economic khmat bathamai sa ka yeng dor bar thawai ka jala house nam araja rapulai habai kren bar kilat pathai ku bor u MDC ka turau Bernat and Marang ulai thu ba ka jingsha kam ka jong u ha kini ki khniat nai kan om ktah satya ha ka jing khon ya ka election pyrshah yu menteri rang ba namar baki pai ba jong kadong bat kathan kitip ya ka jingshah bat kumbalong manta ka jingshah kalapau pai ba.
See, the whole scenario has changed now. So when you talk about confidence, we are 100% sure that we are going to win South Tura. That is already in the air. So there is nothing much to talk about it, and whatever has happened, but the truth always prevails, and court has judiciary has taken utmost care in dealing with my case, and they have not found enough evidence against me as has been claimed by our chief minister, and it is picture clear what the people is having in mind, because people already know the truth, and not only in Tura, the whole state, the whole country knows the truth. That is the reason why my leaders never gave up on me. And after the visit of our Honorable Prime Minister, great change is going to come. We'll see new things coming up now. It's a transformation as well as reformation will be physically visible now. See, getting a bail itself, court has taken cognizance of the case, and the report, the CDs, everything has been judged by the court. Okay, so otherwise, why would the court will give bail? So now it is the duty of the court, and it is the duty of my accusers to produce a proof against me, which will be seen in a trial. Yeah, all the opposition will say that only. Yeah, what Conrad is trying to do, what the oppositions are trying to do, it's different. But go around and ask in Kyrwoh Hills, go around and ask any of the laymen. It is a truth which prevails, okay? That is why I'm saying that truth always prevails. No matter how much they try to pressurize injustice, truth will always triumph. So that's where I stand. I stand as a person who has been victimized, who has been, made a victim of a conspiracy. It won't affect. It won't affect, as I have told you, that after the visit of our Honorable Prime Minister and Honorable Home Minister, things are going to change now. Yes, NPP has always taken advantage of that coalition, of that relation. But ultimately, here also I would say that the truth prevails. Our leaders are well aware what is going on, and picture is very clear. We are going in the right direction now. See, all the fund that has been given by the central government, it is the time to review it, and we'll give it figures. We'll come out with evidence whether what he's saying is the truth or just a made up IWAS development that he's talking about. So BJP is BJP. We are very organized, we are very specific, and we don't want corruption. Right from the top up to the grassroots level, we are against corruption, and our leaders know what to do, how to do it, and people are well aware that whether there were development or not, people are well aware. It can be seen from the expression of the public here itself. In 2018 election, we didn't win even a single seat from Kyrwoh Hills. This time, we're going to win more than the NPPs. The picture is that clear. Let him stand. It's a democratic country. Everybody can stand. It's about defeating. He being a CM, being defeated by me, is going to give a very clear picture that people are against corruption. And I have been fighting against corruption. People knows and people likes me for highlighting corruption in the state. Not only in Kyrwoh Hills, also in other parts of the state. So my stand is clear. I'm against corruption. I'm against all the injustice that has been, meted to all the poor. People have been deprived. Even now in the Christmas, this festive season, most of our employees are not even paid their salaries. I think three years pending bills are there.
Okay.
Like the salaries are pending, no? No, I'm not only talking about district council. I'm also talking about the general employees, the contractual employees, the ad hoc teachers, even the poor people, the old age, or the disabled, or the this one widows who are supposed to get the schemes. They're not getting it. You should review on those all those things. You should bring it to the front. Yeah. Conrad cannot just keep on getting away with all these excuses. You know, he's holding finance, so it is his utmost responsibility to take care of the poor in this Christmas season.